Welcome back to Spy Garage.
By pushing the limits of mobile living to a completely new level of luxury and engineering, the 2026 Brabus Presidential Luxury Villa is a revolutionary break from conventional automobile and recreational vehicle design. Claiming to be a 3-story floor plan priced ready to sell, this bold design is more than just a motorhome. It's a multi-story, completely transportable mansion that embodies the highest level of custom elegance and performance that is associated with the Brabus brand. Engineering and design, the basis of strength and style. The Brabus Presidential Luxury Villa's facade would demonstrate a singular combination of elegant, minimalist architecture and sturdy, heavy-duty truck engineering. A highly customized, high-performance truck chassis would serve as the base, carefully reinforced to hold up a multi-story building. An inventive system of hydraulic lifts and expanding portions that deploy while the vehicle is parked would enable the 3-story floor plan to be realized, turning the vehicle from a road-legal transporter into a soaring residential palace. A matte black or deep metallic finish, aggressive yet subtle aerodynamic aspects, and custom-forged wheels that allude to the enormous power underneath would all be part of the exterior's sleek, Brabus signature design. Integrated lighting would produce a striking visual impact, and large, seamless panoramic windows, possibly with electrochromatic dimming, would offer privacy and stunning views. The 3-story interior, a customized living space. With a level of luxury much above that of any typical RV, the interior of this Brabus masterpiece would be a masterwork in custom residential design. The ground floor would be the main gathering place for social and practical activities. A large, open-plan living space with custom, handcrafted furnishings, a cutting-edge entertainment system, and a professional-grade kitchen with expensive, integrated appliances would be accessible from a magnificent entrance. A private office, a dining room for hosting guests, and a bathroom might all be located on this floor. The best materials, such as hand-stitched leather, exotic wood veneers, and polished carbon fiber accents, could be used throughout. The second floor is devoted to private spaces and is probably where the opulent master suite would be located. A king-sized bed, a walk-in closet, and a spa-like en-suite bathroom with a full-size shower, unique fixtures, and smart lighting are all examples of this. There may be more guest suites on this floor, each with its own private amenities to guarantee everyone's comfort and seclusion. The villa's third level is its greatest feature. This area could serve as an entertainment deck, a private observatory with a glass roof that can be retracted, or a sky lounge. This height would provide unmatched panoramic views and a distinctive viewpoint of the surroundings. Additionally, this level might have a bar, a private wellness room, or an outside patio that is reachable by a discreet internal stairway or elevator. Technology and performance, a combination of strength and intelligence. A Brabus-tuned, high-performance powertrain, likely a modified V12 or a potent hybrid system, would support the entire setup, providing effortless power and tremendous torque. Despite its size, the car would have a smooth and steady ride because to its advanced suspension system. With a complete smart home automation system managing every element of the villa, including climate control, security, entertainment, and the hydraulic deployment of floors, technology would be effortlessly interwoven. With its cutting-edge security features and strong connectivity, this RV would be a veritable fortress. The 2026 Brabus Presidential Luxury Villa is essentially a conceptual wonder that conflates the distinctions between a fixed luxury home and a car. It is evidence that luxury has no boundaries for the most discriminating customers in the world, even when traveling freely.